Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Blaine County and northwestern Oklahoma, Kingfisher County and central Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Loyal to 6 miles west of Kingfisher, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Tennessee, Okochee, Okeen, Dover, Loyal, Lacey, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County and central Oklahoma, north central Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Edmond, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Edmond, Guthrie, Arcadia, Meridian, and Seward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cleveland.
Okay guys, I just wanted to talk to you guys about some stuff here, Alright, so probably one of the last ones here of the EAS videos of the night. These storms will rage on through Oklahoma. Multiple warnings out. Right now I'm counting about 9, if you don't count some of the other ones together, but with the severe setup tomorrow, I'll pull up a page for you. I'll just put that down. No, we can just go right to the page here. I will pull up the page. I've got something going on tomorrow night here. So, Wednesday night, my birthday. Tomorrow. I just gotta pull up the page for it. I can tell you that I'll show you Thursday also, which I will be doing a lot of on Thursday. I'm gonna try to get down. Come on, there we go. Come on. As you can see here, this is as close as it's going to get to Wisconsin for a while, so I'm pretty bummed out that I won't be able to monitor this from computer here, but I'll be at a game, Bucks game, playing it with the marching band tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But we're going to get some moderate thunderstorms tomorrow. I'm not sure what time it's supposed to start thunderstorming tomorrow, but slight risk from Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma, through Kansas, southeastern Nebraska. I would consider this as extreme southwestern Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, extreme southeastern South Dakota, and extreme northwestern Missouri. So I won't be able to do this. I got the phone down again. Sorry about that. Let's go back. So we get a double header of severe thunderstorm warnings. Just this video is a severe thunderstorm warning double header. It's a bit longer, so it'll go in my EAS video. Okay. So I'm hoping pretty soon here we have here in Wisconsin a severe thunderstorm. You know, it's gonna be so nice tomorrow to hear the thunder and stuff. All right, I have pulled up the next day for severe weather, Thursday afternoon, which I will monitor. It covers Illinois, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, a little bit in Kentucky, a little bit of Tennessee, and what looks to be just a smidge of Mississippi. The slight risk, otherwise the marginal area extends all the way up. Extends all the way around those areas up through Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. Just thunderstorms around that extend into Wisconsin, New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Georgia, Atlanta, well not Atlanta, but Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, parts of Illinois. So we will be watching that, but it doesn't appear, come on, why is that up? 5% risk for everything else, so it's probably going to be enough for today, because it's almost 11 here, and I need to get to bed now. But these are just massive thunderstorms. Holy cow, I'm impressed with this setup. This was a good setup, even though no tornadoes, but that's what you get. So, no, maybe when I get home, I have to be back at school pretty early tomorrow after I get home, and then we head out. So I don't know what time I'm gonna get back, but maybe I'll be able to get on and get some EAS footage. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not promising anything. So yeah, this will be the setup for. That'll be the severe setup for Thursday, and I'm again so upset about this. That the severe setup for tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon. I'll have to check during school and stuff. So close to home, and I can't do anything because I'll be out of town. Yeah, pretty much out of town. Well, I wish you all stay safe wherever you are. If you're in the line of these storms, look at that, it extends all the way down in there tomorrow. They're gonna get some stuff, not all of it. A lot of it will be up here. We'll have to see tomorrow what it is. I will leave you with that. Goodbye.